Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying your studies and focusing on studies. This is the crucial time of your studies. So please, students, focus on your studies. And most important, see, I'm not getting views from from the students. I'm not getting answers from the regular students also. So I want you to focus what we are saying in videos. Please go through the details that we are going to say to you. It is most important for your pattern of writing. Just mugging up the textbook will not give you the marks. Make it sure. You require to write in pattern, and I'm not going to send anything on WhatsApp or anything so that can help you. I will say it in video only because I want to know how many of you are listening to the videos. These are the videos we are passing our knowledge to you. We know you are so knowledgeable students. We are lucky to have you, but then also you can just use knowledge of your teachers also, because mugging up is not going to give you any idea. Yes. So in staffing, we are seeing training and development. And in training, as I said, one question from training and development is compulsory from 5 mark question, right? So what is training? Explain its importance. Question can come. Training is expensive, but its absence is more expensive. This kind of question will come, right? Difference between training and development. This is the most important part. You cannot neglect this. So let us start with the development. Training is clear to you. So let us start with development. Development. Top level management and departmental heads are more intellectual. Okay. More intellectual work than physical work. Obviously, the top level management and departmental heads have more intellectual work than the physical work. So, special training is given to them. So, their training is special, their training is different, right? The objective of this training is to increase their mental ability and their efficiency in the taking policy decision. So, what is the objective of this training? The objective of this training is to increase their mental ability and their efficiency in taking policy decision. In taking policy decision. Due to this, they become experts in their technical knowledge and markets and make strategic plans and policies. So because of that, what happens? They can increase the technical knowledge, because see, a worker or an engineer level manager, a manager brings something to them. But if they are not having that technical knowledge, how can they work, right? So technical knowledge and make strategic plans and policy. This type of training is called officer development in present time. So the training given to the departmental heads and the management of top level management people is in short term as department development. Officers development. Is it clear what is development? The training given to the top level management and departmental heads. I am just giving you in short, but definition should be in your textbook. In this industrial world, many upcoming changes are taking place. So, to enhance the ability of top level management, the organization has to undertake development oriented program. They have to take development oriented program. Now, you can see, many of you would have seen in all the companies, they have annual general meeting also. That is, I'm not talking about shareholders, about employees. Then they have training session for employees also. In the same way, see, I can share you with you one of the example with that I know. I had worked with SK Masala, that is a brand of Surat. those who are people from Surat or specifically Gujaratis or living in Surat since many years, they would have heard about SK Masala. It's a brand name of Surat and it exports more. In USA, UK, Canada, Europe, their product goes over there. And I'm very fortunate to work with them and I know the owner very personally, but the growth that I have seen in them is that they had continuously focused on development of themselves. As he is the owner of the company, so he is a part of top level management, right? And his wife is also in the part of company's management. So what is that? I had personally met them, and when I met them, they just returned from Bangalore, and they had attended a 3 days of what we say development-oriented program. What is development-oriented program? If you have heard about Shiv Khera, then Bindra, I didn't remember the name of surname, Mr. Bindra. He is a well-known business development personnel. He guides people how to work for the business. So why they are running a successful business, then also they go for particular training. And you know, the cost of attending that seminar was before I'm talking about 15 years. 15 or 13 years, he had said me, we had paid 25,000 each. Both of them had attended, both couple, I mean, the couple has attended that function, and 25,000 each was just the fees of attending that program, right? And staying in a hotel, obviously he is a person that is having a reputation in Surat, it's a brand name, so obviously he would going to stay. What is his personal choice, I don't know. At least he would have stayed in 4-star or 5-star property, right? The expense would be that. Is it clear? The going of expense, they went to Bombay, from Bombay they took Bangalore's flight, so similar expense was incurred for going over there. But is that an expense? No, it is an investment. It is an investment because they are upgraded, and you can see they are running a successful business. You can find out whatever spice you want and a qualitative product. I'm not branding them, but I'm just saying that the reason Everest, Badshah masala, and this spicy masala are there, then also they are able to sustain themselves in market and their exports are more. I said exports are more. What would be the reason? Right. So there is an activity for you. Let us have some case study of SK Masala. If you can give the answer, I will be happy to listen answers from many of you. But at least those students who are listening and giving answers to me, I'm happy to get reward from them. I don't want to say to name to them, but this no teacher is saying about us. So I want response from you. What is the growth when the company was started? How they grow, and I don't know it's on the net or not, but who was the person that has a knowledge of spices and that has led to the company? I can share it. If you want answer, just give me answer, and in the next video, I will definitely share with you what was the thing that the company has grown, who was behind the scene. Owner is behind the scene for the development of the company and for the management of the company. But the what we say flavors of spices. The person behind the flavors of spices is a different person. And I want, if it is on net, I want the name of that person. So let us see what is development. Is it clear? It is for the top level management and the departmental heads. Now, what is concept? Development is the process of imparting theoretical and okay, okay, theoretical and practical knowledge to the top level management and departmental heads, same as their training, right? But it is given to the top level management and departmental heads. The term development refers to the program which helps to achieve the pre-decided objective of the organization by improving capabilities of departmental heads or officers. Improving capabilities of heads. Right? So, development concept is clear, importance. Increase in technical knowledge. Obviously, either you are going for training or development program, increase in technical knowledge is there. Take example, recently, if you had listened to the speech of our, what we say, Prime Minister on 15th of August, what he has focused, Atmanirbhar Bharat, vocal for local. In short, what he says, stop depending on other countries. और उनको रॉ मटेरियल अगर हम बाहर भेजेंगे तो हम खुद क्या बनाएंगे, these are his statement. So if you are having a business or if you are having a mind that your raw material is going outside for a certain work, why we can't start with that work in our India also, right? So what happens? Many of the companies have started. If you had heard, they had cancelled imports of uh, what we say weapons from outside India. 40, if I remember the number of imports of what we say arms and ammunition, that is 40 products they had cancelled from imports. Means what is the focus of the Indian government? They should be manufactured in India. Now students, why I have taken this topic? Because the companies, those who are going to jump in this business, obviously they would be having a large capital. And yes, they are going to appoint the person that are having knowledge. Quite possible to improve their capabilities and everything. They will send them for training program also. That is development of their technical knowledge, right? So that is increase in technical knowledge with a change in business condition. See, I had said today's business condition has changed. I can say we have 130 students in this batch. I hope all of you become an entrepreneur. Becoming a, see, we are working for someone. Instead of it, I would be feeling proud if I have my own business, I own anything of my own, and I work for the contribution. But we are working for the contribution. Everyone cannot open a school, so we are working for a contribution of our nation. But how you can contribute? You can contribute by getting lots of idea, right? So with the changing business, today's business conditions have totally changed. Previously, most of the raw material was imported or exported, right? And we were focusing on, take example, why lot of products were available. Now also it is available that are manufactured in China, and China is producing everything. You had buy Rakhi on Raksha Bandhan, so it was an issue. Now how you are going to make Rakhi, because beads and all that are coming from China. Are we not able to manufacture it? Yes, we are able to. We are buying raw material from them and then we are manufacturing it. Instead of, business condition has changed. Manufacturing is done by Indians, and that will be done in the manufacturing of the raw material is done in India, and that is distributed in India. So business conditions have changed. So those who want to start a business, they have a lot of idea. जो बिजनेस चल रहा है टेक्सटाइल डायमंड व्हाट वी से केमिकल्स एंड ऑल दैट, वो तो है ही, पर आपके पास इतने इतने आइडियाज हैं कि आप होममेड को अगर लेके जाते हैं तो मीन्स हैंडीक्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्री को भी लेके चलते हैं तो हो सकता है कि आपको और पोटेंशियल मिले. सो द बिजनेस कंडीशंस हैव चेंज. प्रीवियसली वी वर रिलाइंग आउटसाइड इंडिया, especially our handicraft people. They used to think कि foreigners आएंगे और हमारे प्रोडक्ट को बाय करेंगे. Now we Indians value, because our government is giving an issue idea कि you just buy our product, right? If it is expensive, then also buy. Then only your economy will grow, now, right? ठीक? So with changes in business conditions, so these business conditions are changing nowadays in India especially. It is necessary for the organization, officers of organization, to have technical knowledge because their functions are related with technical aspects, right or not? See, I always say, we can say it is our drawback, we don't have a mobile manufacturing company. What we say, we don't have a mobile manufacturing company. So I hope anyone, and I had seen on Twitter, many of them are requesting Mr. Anand Mahindra, if I remember the name properly, Anand Mahindra, please start with the manufacturing of mobile also, because as I had said, I didn't got the answer for that question also. They are going to introduce, I think, 5G, 5G related some, they are going to launch in India. I didn't remember the topic because it had been 1 month old. So at that time, he was requested by many of the Indian people, sir, if you are doing this much of work, so please start manufacturing mobile phones in India so we can buy our product, though they will be having some loophole or maybe not having, because now technically you can buy technicians from outside now. If our Indians are going for Google, Microsoft and other companies, so why we cannot buy a technical impact from outside? And we can buy that particular students also, those who are going to work for Google, and we can ask them to work for us. Yes or no? So that is. So related with technical aspect is clear. Development programs provide guidance to use technical knowledge. What does they provide? IMP question. Development programs provide guidance to use technical knowledge, machines and methods. So the positive decision can be taken for the organization. So the positive decision can be taken for the organization. Right. Research and new ideology. So first is increase in technical knowledge. Second is research and ideology. It increases the efficiency of departmental heads to work at the administrative level by providing them knowledge about new researches and ideology. New researches and ideology. So administrative level by providing them knowledge about new researches, whatever the new researches are there, and ideologies, whatever are there. Now, development of the organization. Do your officers develop, so your organization develop? Obviously, if the organization, if the officers are developing, so they are going to use new methods and techniques. They are going to use their gain of knowledge. So obviously, that is the development of the organization also. In present times, development programs are necessary to take organization to national and international level by adopting new changes and strategies. I had given you example of SK Masala that goes over here. In present times, development programs are necessary, right, to take organization to national and international level. See, national I don't know, but it has reached to international level by adopting new changes and strategies. What would be the strategies of that SK Masala? They are using the packaging that the flavor of the aroma means fragrance. Aroma of the spices don't go out. You can see on what we say, many of the spices, catch, Everest, MD, especially catch masala has given a statement. पैकिंग ऐसी है हमारी कि आपका फ्लेवर हर एक बार सेम रहेगा. That was one of the statement when they were. So what is the strategies there? Strategy यानी उन लोगों ने they had used that also. Take example, Tata Sampann masala. Tata's masalas are there. I'm comparing different masalas. तो आप बोला मत टीचर ने spices खोल दिया है. लेकिन let us see Tata. If I go for buying groceries and if I go for buying spices in for myself, I specifically ask one time, do you have Tata Haldi? Do you have Tata spices? Or what we say, do you have Tata's what we say, pulses, dals, grains and all? Because they are unpolished, organic. I normally buy organic dal, right? Organic pulses, but I am demanding. See, being an hum, nowadays countries diverting themselves to a totally organic product, that is for sure. But I'm just saying you, what is that? They are using the strategies. Expensive है. I don't know about the dals and all that, why they are expensive, क्योंकि हम लोग पहले के ज़माने में ऐसे ही pulses grow करते थे. What is the reason of getting them excess? Organic है इसलिए expensive है, क्या है मुझे पता नहीं. लेकिन हम जब क्वालिटी की बात करते हैं तो क्वालिटी के साथ हर प्रोडक्ट के अंदर एक स्पेशलिटी होती है. सो यहाँ पे आपका जो रिसर्च लेवल है वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में यूँ हेल्प करता है एडॉप्टिंग न्यू चेंजेस. अभी हमें ये चेंज कर देना चाहिए एंड स्ट्रेटेजीज. इज इट क्लियर? डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Fourth is, so first one was technical, increase in technical knowledge. increase in technical knowledge हुआ तो research and development is there, research and development. और employee का हुआ तो will go for development of the organization. Optimum use of resources. Obviously, they are going to use optimum use of resources. Your PM has given the statement. Use optimum resources. Means instead of importing them, exporting them, use your resources. I will share with you one very good example. Developmental programs has to make optimum use of available resources. See, developmental program help to make optimum use of available resources. Now I'll help say what we say, share with you how the resources are used. Apart from it reduces unnecessary expenses, controls the cost of production, thereby increasing the profit. Because of that, increasing. I'm just correlating all the example. Now, what is optimum use of resources? I will share with you. Right. So, what happens? Developmental programs help to make optimum use of available resources. Apart from this, it reduces unnecessary expenses. Now I'm going to share, as I said, I didn't remember many things. I just listen to the videos and just remember the topic. It is a city of Gujarat only. Rajkot may be there on the belt of Saurashtra only. Rajkot or any other city is there. I didn't remember. What they had started with, they had started biodegradable fuel. Biodegradable fuel. What they are doing, they are buying cow dungs. Cow dungs means what we say, uh, excrete of cow, not cow dungs, excrete of cow, that is gobar we say. They are buying from the what we say, कैटल ओनर्स जिनके पास गाय भैंस है उनसे वो लोग बाय कर रहे हैं at 1 rupees kg if I remember. So what happens? Previously they used to do a lot of work. They used to make cow dungs for them and then they used to sell. So their workload was increased. Now the company is doing what? I don't know it's a government company or private company, mostly government furniture. What they are doing? They are buying from the cattle rearers and 1 rupees kg. What is the benefit they are getting? You would not believe they are getting around about 1,20,000 for the in a month or in a year. In a year would be there. It's what we say in a year. I hope so in a year only jata. So they are getting this much of rupees for the what excrete of cow. Now what the company is doing? The company is collecting it. Obviously उनका टास्क कम हो गया है उनको थेपना दैट इज यू हैव टू डू द वर्क टाइम इज टू बी अलॉटेड simply they are just carrying it weighing it and on the basis of that they are getting payment immediately cash आ रहा है उनके पास राइट कंपनी क्या कर रही है कंपनी उससे गोबर गैस तो हमने सुना है फ्यूल में कन्वर्ट करके उसको फिल्टर किया जाता है अलग अलग से उसे मिथिलाइल भी बन रही है सब कुछ बन रहा है and they are using for the as a fuel आया समझ में so they are using it the fuel even the residue means जो उसको extract करने के बाद they are processing it extract करने के बाद जो गोबर का जो पार्टिकल्स बच रहे हैं उसको वो लोग एज अ फर्टिलाइजर सेल कर रहे हैं सो व्हाट इज दैट that is giving you a optimum use of resources. पहली बात तो ये चीज का पैसा मिल रहा है जिसका हम लोगों को बहुत जिन लोगों को काफी मेहनत करनी पड़ रही थी but now they are getting paid off and that is totally eco-friendly and everything is utilized so they are earning also it is not for they are not getting anything by paying this also they are utilizing the resources unnecessary expense को reduce कर दिया है क्योंकि अगर वो रेसिड्यू भी बच रहा है तो भी वो लोग उसको सेल कर रहे हैं एज अ फर्टिलाइजर एंड इट इज एन ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइजर इट इज नॉट हार्मफुल फॉर द farmers so they will buy for it obviously right and the cost of production भी घट गया है सबसे main it increases the profit also because obviously if it the success goes because it is at the experimental level because gases fuels are certain kind of thing that can not be trusted they can be highly inflammable at time so they have started with I hope 2 or 1 petrol pumps for that So people are using it, right? So again, if it is a success, so you can imagine what will be the profit of that company or the government, whatever they, and they had patented that product also, right? So optimum use of resources is clear. Who has done this? Who has find this technological? Obviously the top level officers. एक वर्कर लेवल नहीं होगा, वर्कर लेवल भी होगा तो उसने कंपनी खोली होगी. तो जो भी है टेक्निकल नॉलेज होगा, डेवलपमेंट की तरफ गया है, तभी तो ये सब कर पा रहे हैं ना. The optimum use of resources is clear. Second, this solution to the problem. Development programs are necessary. Why? For speedy and successful solution for newly arising problem of the organization. So development program will obviously help you to find the solution to the related problem. When you will find uh, when Apple was introduced, Apple खाने वाला Apple है, Apple's phones were introduced, the design was an issue. And the owner at the time, Steve Jobs, was just focusing, he had more focus on the designs. And many times the company's designs and the aspects are the reason the prices are so high. So now also they are able to sustain themselves in the market. So they are getting speedy and successful solution for newly arising problems of organization, right? Because many cheap companies are coming. Cheap means product cheap दे रहे हैं now, but they are benefited as India is banning many of the Chinese products, right? So they had not stopped their work. They were in continuous process, though the sales were declined, right? So whatever the problem was there, they were solving it, right? So newly arising problem, effective supervision. Development programs enhance the skill of officers who have technical skill and mental strength to keep effective supervision on business activity. So supervision can be kept effectively, right? Reduces stress. Management and departmental heads often have to face many challenges. And the problem while managing the enterprise of the business, they have to face many challenges. So while taking decision, a lot of confusion or stress is created. So development program helps to reduce this stress. So their stress is reduced because they are getting idea. अगर ये सिचुएशन है तो हमें ये करना है, ये सिचुएशन है तो हमें ये करना है. So their stress is reduced. Employees related so problem, work related problem, any problem is there. So development program, such program helps the officers to meet future challenges and bring suitable changes in the business, right? So helps officers to meet future challenges and bring suitable changes in the business. Till then, take care, bye bye, learn it, and I want written writing of this answer in 5 marks question. So those who are listening to the videos, the task is 2 tasks I had given: SK Masalas and writing of this topic. What development, not training. What is development? Explain its importance. In 5 mark pattern. Those who are interested can send me on my WhatsApp number.